everyone, my name is Brianna and welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be a 3-week update on my Nadula body wave bundles. If you haven't seen the previous video where I unboxed the hair and installed it, please go check that out. It'll be in the description. So I have 4 bundles in a closure end, 22, 24, 26, and 28 inch bundles in a 20-inch closure. And the hair also came with a free bob bang wig. And for all of that, the hair total was $355. So the hair still looks good. It still looks awesome. First, let's talk about the good things about the hair. It holds a curl. I have only curled the hair twice. The first time was when I initially put the hair in. The second time was after I washed the hair again, and I washed the hair for the second time 2 days ago. So this is what the hair looked like. The pattern is like loose and flowy. I wouldn't say it's super defined, but I do like the natural body wave pattern of the curls. And also the hair is super full and thick and extremely soft after I wash it. So it looks great, like in its natural state, fine, no complaints. So then after I washed the hair, I curled it again. And for how I've been keeping the hair curled, I wrap it with this Kitsch Velvet Heatless curling set. So I bought this off Amazon. This is the first time I've ever used it, and it was for this style. And I wrap my hair with this every night, and I wake up to curls. So I took my curls down this morning 8 hours ago, and this is how the curls are looking. So they're looking great. Now, I did not flat iron the hair or straighten it, so I can't really talk about how the hair straightens, because if I'm gonna get body wig and stuff, I just tend to keep it curled. So the hair is really soft, holds a curl, looks great. Now, for some bad things about the hair does shed. I'm not like just walking throughout the day or my life and it's shedding everywhere. When I'm like running my fingers through it, it's shedding. And sometimes it might snag, so like it's snagging on the ends. The ends of this hair, not good. The ends of the 28 and 26 inch bundles, I don't think they're that good at all. I've been making it work, but it's something about these ends, like they feel crunchy and hard and lots and lots of snags. I did trim about 1 or 2 inches off the ends just to make the ends more manageable. Like the ends of the closure in the 2 shorter bundles are great, fine. No complaints there. Another thing I would say is the hair can get stringy at times. Yeah, the hair looks pretty full. Like I said, I have 4 bundles in. And actually, I feel like I could get away with 1 more bundle. I could definitely fit another bundle in my head because the bundles aren't like super large. Let me just show you the back of the hair. So sometimes the back near your neck, it does get a little tangled there for sure. Nothing crazy, but yeah, it's like fingers can get stuck right there. The hair also looks a little frizzy to me. Like just in general, it's like frizzy. Now, I don't know if I should put some product on it or something, but yeah, I haven't put any product in the hair other than when I washed it. I don't spray anything or put anything on it. Yeah, it looks a little frizzy, like snags at the end. So 26 and 28 inch bundle, the ends of them, Overall, like I really do like the hair. I would install these bundles again 100%. Closure is fine. I'm not really seeing any balding or anything, but I mean, I've only had it in for 3 weeks and I just have the part right here. Yeah, I don't even normally keep my sew-ins in this long ever. So I would reinstall it. I do like it, but I wouldn't necessarily buy it again. I think if I was to get some more body wave hair, I would probably try a different company, just because I used to get hair from Kendra's Boutique, their body wave hair. I remember I used to really love the hair, so if I was to get body wave hair again, I would go try them out again, because I just remember the hair being so good. But I do remember that their closures bald for sure. But yeah, I wore this hair recently to amusement park, no complaints. I've gotten a ton of compliments on my hair. People say it's like really pretty, they like the curls, makes me look like a Barbie doll, and I also like the length of it. And like I said, I did cut a few inches off. Let me know what you think. Would you guys try this hair out? Also, since you're still here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Feel free to check out all the links I have in my description. I have my LTK, my Pinterest, my couples YouTube channel. I've recently started using Bendable. I have that linked on there if you want to go check that out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.